Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I think so you are fit and fine. So watch this video till the end because in this video I will tell you top 5 channel names to speak English, to learn English. Yes guys, in this video you will know top 5 channel names to speak English, to learn English. Yes guys. So first channel name is English with Dehati Madam. Yes guys. In this channel, on this channel, if you visit this channel on YouTube, like search on YouTube English with Dehati Madam, then you will visit this channel. So if you are visiting this channel, so definitely you will find something new, like how to speak English, how to learn English, how to improve English, and some tenses. Yes, if you want to learn tenses, so this ma'am have this ma'am has told in her video that how to speak English, how to learn English. Yes guys. So this channel I want to suggest you because this channel I'm using, that's why I'm telling you all to like search on YouTube and visit this channel. Oh, okay. So second channel name is, if you want to speak English, if you want to improve your vocabulary, if you want to, especially for vocabulary, this channel is especially for vocabulary. So if you want to improve your vocabulary, if you want to speak, if you want to learn new words, so you can use English, informative English. Yes guys, informative English you can use, because this channel is very very good to use for only vocabulary and for only word meanings. Yes guys, if I want to search, if I want to know some new vocabulary, so I search this channel informative English, then I visit this channel and I scroll down new videos, and I watch new videos, and I write down in my notebook, and then I learn some new vocabularies. And nowadays I'm also doing this, that's why I'm telling you all. Okay, so this is the channel for especially for only learning English. Yes guys. Okay, so the third channel name is Persona Institute for English. Yes guys, Persona Institute for English, you know this channel because this channel have 2 million subscribers. If you search on YouTube, so you will get this channel, you will find this channel. This channel have many videos for like tenses, to learn preposition, to learn WH family, many kind of thing you can learn from this channel. Yes guys, because Persona Institute very viral, and you can say Persona Institute is a teacher for English speak, for learn, for teach English. Yes guys. And if you want to speak English fluently and confidently, if you want to learn from basic, you can visit this channel, because this channel have a playlist to speak English from basic. Yes guys, if you want to if you are a basic, yes guys, I'm going to share with you. If you are basic in English, so you can go on this channel, you can visit this channel Persona Institute for English, and then you can go scroll down in playlist option. Yes guys, you have to go in playlist option, and you have to scroll down, then you will find a basic playlist. You have to click on the basic playlist, then you will find many kind of video to learn English from basic level. Yes guys. And I think so many viewers are of my many viewers who is watching my video, they are also a basic. Yes guys, I can say you are all basic, that's why you are clicking on my video. And if you want to speak English fluently and confidently, so you must watch your native language speakers. Yes guys, if you want to speak English, so you have to firstly you have to watch English conversation videos in English by your mother tongue. If you search on YouTube English with Jadoo, English with many kind of YouTubers are there. So if you search, so this is from your native state, so you will you will get motivation through him, then you will learn English. Okay, so the fourth channel name is, if you want to speak English, if you want to learn English, English Connection. Yes guys, English Connection. Like Persona Institute channel, this is also like Persona Institute channel, but there is many difference between Persona Institute and English Connection. English Connection have many videos like vocabulary videos, if you listen any song, if you listen any conversation videos, she will tell you the mistakes of conversation, she will tell you mistakes of songs. Then if you are doing any kind of mistakes in your grammar, in your speaking English, so she will teach you that you did this mistake, you have to improve this. So if you want to improve your English, if you want to improve your vocabulary, if you want to improve your fluency, you can visit this channel. This channel name is English Connection. Yes guys, English Connection have 1 crore subscribers. If you search on YouTube, then you will visit this channel. Yes guys, and if you want to speak English, so you must visit this channel, because nowadays I'm using this channel to learn some new words, to learn some tenses. Like tenses is very important in English. If you want to speak English, so tenses is very important. If you don't know tenses, so you will not speak English. Yes guys, if you don't know tenses, then you will not make sentences. If you want to make sentence, and if you want to make like, if you want to speak like me, and if you want to speak like other people who is speaking very fastly, better than you, so you have to firstly have to learn tenses. If you have learned tenses, so you must must practice. You should do practice regularly. Without doing practice of tenses, you can't make sentences fluently. Yes guys. Yes. So the fourth channel I have told you. So the fifth channel name is, if I talk about fifth channel, so fifth channel name is Sartaj Classes. Yes guys, what should I say? This channel is, you can say, dancing channel. Yes guys, if you search on Sartaj Classes on YouTube, so you will find Sartaj Classes channel on YouTube. Yes guys, and if you go any video of Sartaj Classes in her channel, in his channel, so you will find many kind of video. Like if you if you watch any video of him, so you will laugh, because he makes he makes fun. He makes fun to teach English. Yes guys, if you have learned anything, if you want to learn English with laughing with happily, so you can visit this channel. If I want to say about me, so I'm also using this, because whenever I feel sad, so I go on this channel. You can say this is a comedy teacher. Yes guys. Okay, so many kind of video, many kind of channel there on YouTube, but I selected this channel because I am using this channel. So that's why I tell you all, if you want to speak English, so you must visit this all channels, and don't focus on my mistakes, because nowadays I'm also doing practice. Nowadays I'm also learning English. If you like find any, if you have found any mistake in me, so you can comment down, I will improve. But if you want to improve your English also, so you must use these apps. You must visit this app to learn English, to speak English. So I will see you in next video, friends. Thank you all, bye, and subscribe my channel.